We're in San Diego right now.
Lady. Yeah? Are you Miramar? Riverside. From Riverside.
We can see?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I see it.
Pat him on the back.
I'd be scared to that. Abby, how do you expect to go on a 55-story? Nice. Oh, anyway. Okay, I think I had enough.
You had enough?
No, put me up there now. It's my turn.
You are too heavy.
Are you calling me fat? No.
She's
Oh.
sir.
Not really. I'm a shorty. Okay, am I taller? Yes. I'm just waiting. I'm taller than you. You can hit the off. Sorry.
Sigara dedim ama kafe mi?
Nacho, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Walk away, man. We're playing Craps. I didn't really learn it, but it has the best odds, but it's it will go quick. You have to start sober, man. If you've been drinking, you start throwing your money out there. Because he was trying to like first time I ever played, and I was already had a buzz, and I was just like, he's like, what's this, what's that? And I was like, I'm too focused on paying attention because it moves so fast. I'm like, this, that, boom. And the guy was trying to help me, and he was like, everybody. All right, man. You guys have nice to meet you guys. Number 5, brother.
Good number.